Excalibur at NEW Delhi. Army has launched a fresh hunt for a new generation assault rifle all over again. Rejecting the 5.56 by 45 mm caliber Excalibur rifle offered by the DRDO Ordnance Factory Board combined, the force has now decided to go in for a 7.62 by 51 mm gun with higher kill probability and stopping power, in the race to acquire high-end weapon systems. From submarines and fighters to howitzers and helicopters, basic weaponry and protective gear for ordinary foot soldiers often do not get the requisite attention and push by the brass. But the Army says it means business this time. Shrugging aside failed attempts to acquire new rifles over the last decade, the RFI request for information for the new 7.62 mm assault rifles is going to be issued soon to elicit responses from around the globe. The GSKWR's General Staff qualitative requirements or technical parameters for the rifles will then be formulated before the actual tender is floated to invite bids, said a source. It was in April that the Army Commanders Conference first discussed whether the force required a SAP 62 mm rifle that killed or a 5.56 mm rifle that incapacitated enemy soldiers, as was then reported by TOI. The decision has now been taken to go for 7.62 by 51 mm rifles with a higher kill probability and accuracy at an enhanced effective range of 500 meters, said the source. The military wisdom till now was that the 5.56 mm rifle was better for conventional war because it generally injured an enemy soldier, tying down at least 2 of his colleagues to carry him in the battlefield. Conversely, the 7.62 mm rifle was better for counterinsurgency since terrorists had to be killed at the first instance, eliminating the risk of suicide bombing. Soldiers largely use the 7.62 mm AK-47 rifles for counterinsurgency operations in Kashmir and the northeast, even though the infantry is saddled with the indigenous glitch-prone 5.56 mm INSAS Indian Small Arms System rifles. The fully automatic Excalibur, which fires 5.56 by 45 mm ammunition, is a much improved version of INSAS rifle that entered service in 1994-1995. But the Army now wants 7.62 mm rifles for greater lethality. The Army's over-ambitious experiment to induct rifles with interchangeable barrels with a 5.56 by 45 mm primary barrel for conventional warfare and a 7.62 by 39 mm secondary one for counter-terrorism miserably flopped last year, as was first reported by Top in May last year. The proposed mega project was junked since the rifles on offer by armament firms like Colt US, Beretta Italy, Cesca Czech and Israel weapon industries were not found cost-effective or suitable after extensive trials. Under the project, 65,000 rifles were to be directly acquired from the selected vendor to equip the 120 infantry battalions deployed on the western and eastern fronts. The OFB was to then subsequently manufacture over 13,000 such rifles after getting transfer of technology from the foreign company.